Hi everyone! For today's episode, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to do-it-yourself masks and make those ill-fitting ones fit perfectly on your face for better protection. Don't forget to cover both your mouth and your nose. So, let's get to it! Here are some ways on how you can do your masks. This one shows a normal way on how to put on a mask. Make that mask fit perfectly on your face. Got a loose and ill-fitting mask? Make use of some bobby pins. Next, transform your headband into an ear saver one. Make use of a shoelace or a string to put on your mask. Who knows that you can use your paper clips as DIY ear savers? And lastly, your DIY handkerchief mask. That's it for this episode. Hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Feel free to comment down below your own version of your DIY mask. Share this one with your loved ones. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Stay safe everyone. Bye!